Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 20 equals 4 times n minus 2. Solving means isolating n on one side with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. To keep the equation balanced, we make the same change to both sides. The variable is on the right. Switch the two sides so the variable is on the left. The minus 2 keeps 4 times n from standing alone. Add 2 to both sides to remove it. That gives 4 times n equals 22. Four is multiplying n. To leave n alone, divide both sides by 4. That gives n equals 5.5. Quick check. Substitute 5.5 for n. Both sides equal 20, so the equation balances. So, n equals 5.5.